Let's practice the English letters and sounds. A says a, apple. B says b, bed. C says k, cup of coffee. D says d, dog. E says e, egg. F says fish. G says g, girl. H says house. I says it, in the box. It is in the box. J says j, jacket. K says k, kitchen. L says light. M says money. N says nose. O says on the box. It is on the box. P says piece of paper. Q says quarter. R says rain jacket. S says stop sign. T says talk to the teacher. U says up. V says vegetables. W says water. X says exit. Y says yellow. And Z says zero. Now we have these digraphs. The CH says chair. PH says phone. SH says she's shopping for shoes. TH says thinking. And TH also says you can use your voice, says the weather.